Hello everyone, welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today, I had a request from the audiences and it says react to MNL48 River MB. I don't know what's going on this group in the Philippines because MNL is origin from AKB48 in Japan. So it's sister group of AKB48 in Japan. So I think its the taste is from AKB48. So I think I'm familiar with this MNL48. So I can feel some taste from AKB48. Okay, let's try to watch this video. But before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to push the notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go! Oh, it's raining. Oh, just... Oh. Yeah, costume is cool. Yeah, this is like AKB48. But I can see talents are all Filipino. I mean Filipina. Yeah, this costume, high school student costume in Japan is like this. I can feel definitely AKB48 taste from MNL48. Yeah, girls are so cute. I love it. But I'm wondering what kind of occasion do Filipino listen to this music? At a car? Or anytime you want? So maybe this video is taken in the Philippines, I think. Oh, I see. This is river. Yeah, I can feel, yeah, somehow Japanese taste from AKB48. So choreographer and composer, are the same or similar taste they have, I think. And I, I'm not sure how famous this group is in the Philippines, so I'm wondering about that. So I hope they will, how say, they will accept in the Philippines, and hmm, yeah, I hope they will be famous near in the future. Mm. Okay, that's a good video. Thank you. Uh, and um, today, today's today's video is it. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to not miss my future videos. And please leave comment below whatever you want. And if you have your suggestions, please suggest me any impressive movie you know. Thank you very much. Bye bye.